We have already studied about congruence of triangle and the criteria for congruence of triangle. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on them. So the first question is, AB is a line segment. You can see here AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint of it. That means AP will be equal to PB. Since they have given P is the midpoint, I can write AP equal to PB because P is the midpoint of line segment AB. Again, they have given D and E are the points on the same side of AB such that BAD equal to this angle BAD equal to angle ABE. So these two angles are equal. BAD equal to angle ABE. Again, so this is already, these are the things given in the question. Again, they have given EPA, this angle EPA equal to angle DPB. So we need to show that these two triangles are congruent. That is triangle DAP and triangle EBP. We need to show that they are congruent. Now DAP, you can see that which a triangle in blue color and EBP is a triangle in purple color. Already we got two parameters. We need one more parameter to prove that these two triangles are congruent either by SSS or SAS or AAS congruence rule. Now, before using this, they have given EPA equal to DPB. So, this, if you add angle EPD on both sides of this, EPA plus angle EPD equal to EPD plus angle DPB. Now EPA plus EPD plus EPD together will give you this full angle, that is APD. In the same way, EPD plus DPB will give you the full angle EPB. Now we got three parameters for this triangle. This angle is equal, this angle is equal, and one side included between these two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP by ASA congruence rule. We can say that these two triangles are equal by ASA congruence rule. So the same way we can say that AD equal to BE, since they are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, AD will be equal to BE. So find out the two triangles first, then find out the corresponding sides and then use either any of the congruence rule. Easily you can prove that the triangles are congruent. So next question, in right angle triangle ABC, right angled at C, angle C will be 90 degree. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. So they have given M is the midpoint. So we can easily write MB is equal to MA. So MB is equal to MA since M is the midpoint of AB. C is joined to M and produced to D such that DM equal to CM. So DM equal to CM, that is also given. DM equal to CM, it is given in the question. Now we need to prove triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Angle DBC is a right angle triangle. Again, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Again, last one, CM equal to half AB. So 4 things we need to prove in this question. So we first we will consider the triangle AMC, which is in blue color, and triangle BMD, which is in red color. Already we got 2 parameters from that triangle. Now if we get one more parameter, easily we can prove those 2 triangles are congruent by any of the congruence rule. So I can easily say that these 2 angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angle. So DMB equal to angle AMC because it is vertically opposite angle. So this angle is between the 2 sides. So I can say that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by SAS congruence rule. These 2 triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Since they are congruent, I can write that the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, I can write angle ACM is equal to angle BDM, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Now second thing, we need to prove that DBC is a right angle. That means this full angle is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove DBC is a right angle, means angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Just now we got that ACM, that is this part, is equal to this part we have got. Now how will you prove that the full angle is 90 degree? Already we know that C is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree. So we need to prove that now B is also 90 degree. Now I can write that angle ACM, they are equal, as well as we can say that they are alternate interior angles, and CD is the transversal here. CD, you can see that CD is the transversal. Just now we got that this angle ACM and BDM, these are equal. So it is alternate interior angle. Again, we can use the co-interior angle property, that is DBC plus ACB, angle ACB equal to 180 degree, because co-interior angle property we can use. Co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, or when you add those 2 interior angles you will get 180 degree. Already we know that ACB is 90 degree. So definitely from this we can make out that DBC is also 90 degree. So the first 2 things we have proved. Now next we need to prove DBC, that is the full angle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Now we need to prove that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. So you can see one triangle with red color and ABC is with blue color. So here we can say that BC is the side which is common for both the triangle. So BC equal to BC, and BC is common for both the triangles. And just now we got that these 2 angles are 90 degree. So we can write that DBC equal to angle ACB equal to 90 degree, and these 2 sides we can say that DB is equal to AC from the corresponding parts of congruent triangle for triangle DBM. First we have proved that this triangle and AMC, they are congruent. So corresponding parts of the congruent triangle we can write DB equal to AC, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle of triangle DBM and triangle AMC. So we can say that two sides and one angle, included angle, is equal. These two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. SAS congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent. Again, last one more part they have given. We need to prove that CM is equal to half of AB. So, since these two triangles are congruent, I can write DC equal to AB, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Same thing we can write here, DC equal to AB, and DC I can write as DM plus CM. We can see in the figure, DC equal to DC is nothing but DM plus CM, which is equal to AB, and already in the question it is given that DM is equal to CM, so I am replacing DM by CM, so I got equal to AB. 2 times CM is equal to AB, or CM is equal to half AB. So here we have used, they have given in the question DM equal to CM, and here the general construction DC is nothing but DM plus CM. So thank you for watching my video.